Okay, let's talk a little bit about angle of elevation and angle of depression. First, let's talk about the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is the lower corner of the right triangle. Now, angle of depression is a little bit different. You have your normal right triangle, but then you draw a line from the thing that's above. Both of these angles are congruent to each other. Okay, let's talk a little bit about special right triangles now. There are two types of special right triangles, a 90-45-45 and a 30-60-90. Because of these angles, we're able to determine what the side of the triangle is without using trigonometry. So let's talk about the 45-45-90 triangle. Its sides are x, x, and the hypotenuse is root 2x. The 30-60-90 triangle isn't as simple. The shortest leg with the 60 and 90 is x, and the longer leg is root 3x. The hypotenuse is 2x. So let's do an example. Let's say one side of the 45-45-90 triangle is 2. Let's figure out what the rest of it is. Since both the sides are the same, both x's are equal to 2. Now let's figure out what the hypotenuse is. Because the hypotenuse is root 2x, just plug in 2 as x. You should get root 4. Plug that into your calculator and see what you get. You should get 2. Now let's move on to the 30-60-90 triangle. Let's say x is equal to 4. Now it's just simple math. Times 2 by 4 and you should get 8. Now plug 4 into root x3. You should get root 12. So plug that into your calculator and see what you get. You get 3.464. Seems simple enough, right? Because they're special right triangles, you are able to figure out what sides they have because of their angles. Thank you for watching my video on trigonometry. But excuse me, I have a party to go back to. Trigonometry, trigonometry, trigonometry!